Come on, look at this girl.
What the fuck, dude? What was that? What?
Okay, we're on our way. Now, can you look at the screen and help me for a second?
Yeah.
Okay, we're... No, stop. What is...
Whoa! What is it about her, bro?
Change the hazel. The hazel? Yeah, change the hazel. Oh.
Vi har jo lavet sådan en ude for haven, hvor vi står som i blandet i for eksempel med et eller andet Nej, det er noget snakke om.
Josh.
I don't know.
I wanted to ask you some questions for this TikTok video.
The fuck is that?